Hey gamers, the wait is over. GTA 6 just dropped on the PlayStation Store, and we've got a confirmed launch date. This is GadInsider, and we're diving into the biggest gaming news of the year. Let's roll! GTA 6 is officially wishlist-able on PlayStation, with the release date locked for 26 May 2026 at 4 AM UTC. But why no Xbox love, and what's up with pre-orders? Stick around for the full scoop. The PlayStation Store listing for GTA 6 is live, and it's got fans losing it. According to sources, Rockstar's confirmed the game drops at 4 AM UTC on May 26, 2026. That's a Tuesday, so mark your calendars. The listing follows the second trailer's release, packed with fresh screenshots, key art, and that slick new logo. This is a huge step towards launch. The PS Store page lets you wishlist GTA 6, giving us a peek at Rockstar's final stage development after years of hype. We're closer than ever to cruising Vice City's neon streets, but here's the catch. No pre-orders yet, which is classic Rockstar. Remember GTA 5? Pre-orders didn't hit until after its second trailer, so we might be waiting a bit. Right now, GTA 6 is only wishlist-able on PlayStation platforms, PS5 and PS4. Xbox fans, you're out of luck for now. There's no word from Rockstar on when and if an Xbox wishlist will drop. This has sparked some chatter. Is PlayStation getting special treatment? Maybe. But history says Rockstar will bring GTA 6 to Xbox Series X and S and PC eventually. The delay to 2026, over a year out, has some fans bummed. But the PS Store listing proves Rockstar's polishing every detail. Expect next-gen graphics, a massive open world, and a story that'll blow us away based on those trailer vibes. For GTA fans, this is huge. Wishlisting on PS Store means you'll get notified the second pre-orders go live. If you're on PlayStation, you're in pole position. Xbox and PC gamers, hang tight. Rockstar's likely saving your moment for later. 2026 launch gives Rockstar time to deliver a masterpiece. But will the wait be worth it? With two trailers already teasing a wild ride, we're betting yes. That's the latest on GTA 6's PlayStation Store debut and May 2026 launch. Are you wishlisting on PS5 or holding out for Xbox and PC? Drop your hype in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider for more gaming news.